Right.
Come here, girl.
She said, clear the bench, coach. Rebound, Kev. Good hustle, Kev. Come on back, come on back.
Don't stand.
Get back, get back, get back. Call for it, Kev, call for it. Rebound, Kev.
Get up.
Good try, come on back, get on back. Good.
Hey,
Get there now, Kev, get there now. Look inside.
see the ball.
Oh, good try, good pass, good look. Come on back.
Good try. You got
Yeah, I changed it to good look. Oh, I wasn't talking about Kev, I was talking about Darryl. I was talking about Darryl. Kev messed that all up. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Our leading scorer with 12. Probably, something like that. Oh, close out, get out. Go, run. Pull up. Oh, good pass. All right, good break, good pass, Marcus.
Marcus,